Oh, no, sit back down. She's coming.
Can I hide in the bathroom?
Where'd she go?
Are you the driver?
That's my car, yeah.
Can we just have a chat really quick?
Savage!
Race.
That sounds so much better.
Jimbo, we're very high up.
Oh, we high as hell.
Oh no.
No, dude, look at this. This is nuts. This is just one of the many pullovers along the route. I think we're still like 2 hours away from wherever we need to be, but it doesn't matter. Like, so I know a lot of people coming into Utah, people are saying, you should visit Stradman. And absolutely, we were going to meet up, but unfortunately, James, as of filming this video, it wasn't that long ago when James' father passed. And he's spending some time with family now. He's with his mom in Oregon. As these cars go by, I know that kind of screws with this being a genuine moment, but in all seriousness, like, we're praying for you, brother. I hope everything settles out, and you're the only person I've ever seen that's able to stay positive continuously through no matter what. YouTube is one family, real family's another. So family always first. Yeah, so I just got some interesting news. So Mark, who is the guy who rode with me back in Savage Rally when I got arrested, he was with his dad driving this white Ghibli. It just blew up. Apparently, it just dumped all the coolant everywhere and it won't crank over. He's sending me a pin to where he is right now, but him and his dad are, waiting for a tow truck, but it might be cool to rescue them.
Yeah, that's him.
We're here, guys. I have no clue what we're doing, but we're here.
We're saving that man right there.
So, ran with me from the police.
Yes.
On the way on Savage Rally in 2020.
You got 1.7 miles. So Jimbo and I were in the S65 going about 130, 140, crested a hill, saw the cop at an intersection that wasn't a ways, and we couldn't see him until we crested the hill, blew past him at about 130, and then Jimbo said, I'm gonna run, start recording. So then we raced the extra mile here, ditched the car, well, Jimbo ditched the car back over there, and then we ran into this race shop. I am now standing over here, obviously. Jimbo's hiding somewhere in that shop.
And then, I had coolant problems yesterday. And now you're having coolant problems today.
You can see all the coolant on the floor.
Oh, is it there?
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta go look.
It pissed coolant. It doesn't turn over anymore.
So, what, do we know why? Or just it decided it was its time?
We were about half an hour, 45 minutes out of here, and all of a sudden the coolant went up.
Yeah.
And I went, okay, that's not good. So then we stopped, let it cool down, started driving, and then got a check engine light saying service electronic throttle pedal, which apparently means as soon as you slow down to any speed, the car shuts off and goes into neutral.
Oh, nice.
So we killed it over there, going into the gas station, killed it actually right here, and then I limped it into the parking spot, and now we're waiting for a tow truck.
Yeah. And you came with your dad this time.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So it's a father-son car brakes.
Hell yeah.
Italian crap.
So anyway, like I told Blake, you find folks who are gonna at least give us a ride to Salt Lake City so we can pick up another potential Maserati and hopefully get it to Vegas.
What the f is going on over here? We'll make it look right, don't worry.
Nice. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome.
Being an absolute tool.
This car's badass.
Thank you. Here, I'll give you a few revs and then I'm gonna shut it off so I don't look like a complete ass.
side? Yeah, looks like it. Oh my goodness.
So we're sitting down to eat pizza now. They decided they'd sit all of us. You were talking about something, Sean, that's very true, and it's something that's done. People do take exotic cars like a Maserati, take them on a rally like this, beat the ever-living hell out of them, and then return them. And the rental companies, if you buy the full coverage, they're supposed to, you know, repair it. You might get banned for life, but depends on the damage.
If it breaks down, definitely take the stickers off.
Oh, if they know you're doing it.
You have a friend.
Got a friend.
Which one?
The cop.
officer.
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. No, sit back down. She's coming. Woo!
Huh? I hide in the bathroom? Back of your car.
Oh, she is?
Yeah, she's looking at the plate.
Where's she? Where'd she go?
Are you the driver?
That's my car, yeah.
That's awesome. Can we just have a chat really quick?
Sure.
So, I saw you flashing the red and blues. You're not in trouble.
Oh, no, I know.
So-
I know we're not supposed to
Okay.
drive it on the road like that. I was
Yeah.
just, the kids asked me to give them a show. That was all.
Okay. Yeah, I just did. I copied. I didn't want you to get in trouble, man.
Oh, I appreciate it, yeah.
And I looked up the state statute really quick.
Yeah.
Like, you're right. So, if you can just do me a favor, no, you will get pulled over. I can guarantee you that.
I have been.
Yeah.
I'm Jim, by the way. I'm sorry.
It's nice to meet you,
Jim
Jim.
or Jimbo.
I love your guys' cars. I've been watching
Thank
all
you.
you all come through.
I'm not gonna lie, we were trying to get your attention when we first pulled into the gas station.
I saw you.
Oh, you did? That cop over there, like, he didn't come over for the revving, but I wonder if he'll come over for my lights.
I told you we hunt cops.
Oh, you did?
Try not to. I don't want to pester you guys. All your guys' cars are cool.
Thank
so-
you.
But yeah,
Thank
I
you.
just, like I said, I don't want you to get pulled
Thank
over.
you.
And
I
don't
appreciate
want to, like, I don't want to anything. So I just figured I would have a chat and
Yeah,
get
yeah.
out of your hair.
Thanks.
So,
Well, Jessica,
Absolutely.
I want to share this with you. I think it's awesome that you as a law enforcement officer would rather come and educate us
yeah,
than to give us a hard time.
but
So thank you for doing that.
that's not my style. So.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to sit there, go for it. I mean, like I said, if
I don't know if I'd get out of that.
I need a little bit more work on the mount here, because this
Yeah.
is after, let's just call this R&D. We found out that at higher speeds, unfortunately, in the original testing of this flew back and hit the wing and everything.
Oh.
That's where all the dings on the car came
Okay.
from.
Okay.
You know, but latch is right there. This
I'm
pops
gonna break
open.
it.
Oh no, you good? Trust me.
I've never said.
Yeah, sure. Oh no, you got it. There you go. Nice. that was the hard one.
That's awesome.
If you want, I can give you a hand.
Oh, jeez.
Got it. Very nice.
Oh, you guys are awesome.
Thank
I
you.
appreciate it.
No, this is my favorite part of owning this car. I'll be honest with you. Driving, it's an awesome thing, but like sharing with everybody, like whether
Yeah.
it's a little kid or, you know, like I've had like 75, 80-year-old people like this is the first time I've ever sat in a Lambo. And
I've never.
there you go. So like making that happen for me, it's an incredible thing. These are such cool cars.
Yeah.
It makes me so happy seeing like that first like smile, like holy shit, this is awesome.
Alright.
I'll lock this thing up. But yeah, it was a pleasure meeting you.
It was a pleasure meeting
I'll see you.
you.
I'll see you
Remember your
soon.
name again?
I'm Jess.
Jess, Dylan.
Yep.
Nice to
Dylan,
meet
it's
you.
nice to meet you. See you guys. Thanks for everything.
See you soon.
You want some pizza? You want a slice? Sure.
I said the same thing. She's good. Hey, bye, Jess.
We thought you guys were going on a date. Right?
She was so nice.
He does not put neither.
It's so nice.
We need more cops like her.
So nice.
So nice. So now what you gotta do, you gotta call the GM and say, listen, you're gonna give me a raise because I just got a new profile photo for this pizza Hut Eagle Back. Tell the GM like, listen, you really need. Look at the business I work. What's up?
Can they take a picture?
Beautiful cracks. There's one massive one there and one massive one there.
Whoa!
All thanks to Jimbo's Lambo.
All thanks to the Lambo.
Yeah.
And the other one is over there. Oh my God, Jesus. So we are now back on the road. What we got?
Turn left
Jimbo
onto
behind
I-80
us.
Business Loop West.
We're about to make a left. We're heading straight to Salt Lake City, the Grand America Hotel, I think it was.
Yes, sir.
And yeah, we actually have this guy.
Hi.
So we were just driving. We just pulled back onto the road. Jacob and the PP boys, they just pulled off all of a sudden because supposedly they just popped a cooling system on. But the car is currently in op and we need our help. So they've helped us. We're gonna help them. Okay, we are here to help the PP boys. I think something's amiss. So was it the Beamer or the Audi? It looks like the Audi. Audis are letting us down this trip. Like my car overheated, this car had an issue. The Beamers are winning.
I know.
What happened there?
My lugs are a little loose.
Your lugs? Like your lug nuts?
Yeah, like
What?
we took a corner and there was this little bit of like wobble and a ting, and I was like, oh, it shouldn't be anything.
Yeah.
Then when we were passing here, we hit, you know, specific speed, and it was
Sure.
just kind of like.
Blake! Are you not entertained? The Audis are letting us down. Like my, you know what it is? I brought a Beamer with me. That's what it is. Whenever I'm with Randy, we have like all Audi German cars, Mercedes, Audi. Then I bring a BMW once, and then all the Audis break.
But we got the Beamer guys right here.
Yeah.
Jimbo gives me trash for putting so much pressure on BMWs. Like, why do you trust a BMW? Then I say, why do you trust your Mercedes?
Because they're
Well,
awesome.
I can't argue with them.
We good, thanks. Are you good?
I don't know.
Okay, we gotta get back on the road.
They're flapping! Oh, he didn't like that.
Now on video.
Wait, is that real?
Yeah, we got it on video now.
I really don't want him to come.
God, cop got me. But either way, I'm literally within walking distance if you want. Insert cougar sound effect from every single ad on Adult Swim. Yeah, Blake?
Hey, we're just putting the drone up. We'll be down in a sec.
Oh, all right.
Rock!
Huh?
You like my shades? It's gas.
You know, I'm gonna be honest with you. From a distance, I genuinely thought those were some just ridiculous designer shades.
They looked like pit vipers.
I just made these.
I like.
Gaffer special.
You know what the real key to that though is though? That is a big part of it. The real thing here I love. It's the back piece.
Oh yeah.
Right here. The wraparound. Because you know what these are now suitable for? You can hang out of a car and shoot rollers. You know, so in all reality, like the
And lightweight.
light dude.
Throw it in your pocket, no problem.
Lightweight. Oh, can I try these on? Oh, I gotta see. Oh yeah, they are busting respectfully.
They're fully customized. So.
I can tell.
I can tell.
You know Randy's big Baja truck from SVC off-road. Oh yeah, just go, Randy. I know you're watching this. Just go dunk 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 dunk.
Oh goodness, yes!
What? Yeah.
Damn it, no, I want one to roll.
No. What? What's wrong with you, Blake? Blake?
Don't worry, don't worry.
Blake?
Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry.
Blake?
Don't worry.
Your newborn balance scares me. You ready?
Hold on!
Blake is doing something. I don't know what it is.
Jimbo, we have a new game. First person to break this beer bottle wins. Dove? Alright.
Okay.
No way.
Oh! That was close.
Oh!
Oh! Yes, sir!
Got it! Oh, yeah! We can
can go to lunch now. Let's go to lunch.